What's up, guys, and welcome once again to Forex Success. As you all know, I give strategies on how to trade synthetic indices, crash and boom, and step index and all volatility indices. So, guys, I'm going to show you today how to trade step index. Guys, this strategy I'm about to show you is very powerful and it's very profitable for step index. So, guys, I'm going to show you now how you can make money trading step index. Okay, let's go to step index. Step index, we'll be using the 1 minute time frame for this strategy. The 1 minute time frame, you make your zoom level the third zoom level, guys. The third zoom level. I always make mention of the zoom level on all videos, but people still keep on asking what's the zoom level. It's the third zoom level. That signifies that you don't watch the video completely, you just keep. Guys, watch this video from beginning to end so you won't miss any part. Okay, guys, this is how to set the indicators for this strategy. We just have 6 indicators for this strategy: 3 moving average, and the stochastic oscillator, the Ichimoku, and another moving average, which is making it 4 moving average for this strategy. So, guys, in setting these indicators, the first indicator we'll need, guys, is the moving average. The first indicator is the moving average. We'll set it to period 3, shift 0. Okay, let me just make it very much easier, guys. So, making it more easier, I'm going to delete the indicators, so I will have to set them again so that you guys can just follow up with it. So it will be easy for you guys to just set your indicators also. So, guys, the indicators will need. Okay, guys, yeah, I'm ready for the video right now. So, guys, the indicators we'll need, as you can see on my screen, is six indicators. Yeah, so let me delete the indicators. Delete them. Yeah, I've deleted the indicators. So right now, I'm going to set the indicators now. The first indicator we'll need, guys, please pay concentration to this video. Pay attention, guys. You need to concentrate because this strategy, it can change your trading life. So, guys, let's go. First indicator, the moving average. You can use the period 6. Yeah, guys, period 6 for this indicator. The first moving average. Okay, let's use period 3, guys. So for the first moving average, guys, we'll use period 3. Then we'll shift to 0. As you can see on my screen, apply to exponential. Then 3 pixel for the style, 3 pixel. So let's use yellow. You click done. So, guys, the next indicator we'll be using is another moving average. You add another moving average, period 60. Apply to simple, shift 0, method close. The star is 3 pixel. Let's use blue. Then click done. The next indicator, guys, is a moving average also. Add another moving average. This time period 7. Period 7, guys. Period 7. It's a very powerful strategy, guys. Method simple. Apply to close. Let's take 2 pixel. Let's use red. You can use the color of your choice for your own understanding. Done. Okay, so the next indicator right now, guys, we'll be using the stochastic oscillator. Stochastic oscillator. Okay, click on it. Just as you can see on my screen, K period 1, D period 1, slowing 1, everything on 1. Then the price feed, low slash high, method simple, main pixel. Just as you can see, the function of this stochastic is for us to know the overbought and oversold level. You click done, so you can see it now. It provided the overbought, which is from 80 upwards, and the oversold from 90 downwards, from 20 downwards. Sorry. Okay, the next indicator, guys, the Ichimoku. You click on indicator window 1, Ichimoku. So the first one, you'll be using 9, 26, and 52 as the parameters. You can see. Then the stars, the taken, you'll be using 4 pixel. You can use a color blue. I'm using blue. Then the rest, the Kinju and the up Kumo, the down Kumo, and the Chico span, we are using the color of our screen. I'm using a white background, so I'm using white as the color. You take 1 pixel for each of them, then you click done. Guys, we have last indicator, which is the moving average on indicator window 1. You click in moving average. For this moving average, we're using period 3, guys, period 3 exponential, then previous indicator data, apply to previous indicator data. You click the star 3 pixel, the red is okay, then we click done. Guys, we're good to go for the strategy. Look about the strategy, guys. It's already performing right now. It's already working right now. So guys, I believe you can understand. 3 conditions need to be met for this strategy. The first one, you have to look at this line, this red and blue line, which is the moving average, and Ichimoku being at the overbought level. You can see now, guys, this strategy is already showing you the power it possesses. It's already showing you that it works now. Guys, if you can understand, the conditions is that this red moving average and the Ichimoku has to be at the overbought level, which is from 80 upwards. Guys, please listen attentively. I'm trying to make this video very simple. From this overbought, from 80 upwards is the overbought level. So the first condition is that this red moving average and the Ichimoku have to be at the overbought level. That is number 1. So once you see that, you are ready to place a trade. You are ready, but you haven't confirmed it. Then the next condition, 3 conditions, guys. The next condition is that the blue moving average, this blue moving average, guys, has to cross above the trade. Yeah, it has to cut above the red moving average, the trade, just as you can see all. So it has to cross at this point. So guys, it crossed, yeah, and it's at the overbought level. So for this market now, 2 condition has been met. Yeah, 2 condition is met now for this market. We got 2 conditions here. So the last one is that the red moving average should be above the yellow moving average. Yes, the red moving average should be above the yellow moving average. Look, the red was above the moving average, the yellow one, at the point they crossed. Look, so because of this pullback, it came under. Look now, guys, look, it crossed. The red moving average crossed the yellow moving average. The blue line still crossing above the red line, the chart. So guys, it's selling. Look, so this is a sure analysis that this signal, this strategy works. It crossed above. So condition 1, condition 2, it sold. You can see Okay, let me show you another example, guys. Let me show you another example. This is 1 minute time frame. Let me show you another example. But for this one, guys, you can see it's still selling. So usually when you enter this kind of market, you see it at the overbought level. It's at the overbought level. Then it crossed above here. Then the red moving average is above the yellow moving average. Guys, you enter the market and take your profit. So the moment it gets to this 50, you can take your profit. Yeah, you can take profit at this 50. The moment this red moving average get to this 50, you can take profit. You can still better still leave it till it gets to 20. But once it gets to 20, guys, leave the market. You run off the market. Okay, I usually take my profit at this 50 level. I always say that. So guys, it crosses here. So at the beginning, you enter this market at this point. At this point, guys, to make a pullback, and then you catch profits. Look, so you'd have made from here down to this point. That's profit, guys. That's profit. So you can see it crossed again here, and the red moving average was above it. It sold. Guys, let me show you another example. This is step index strategy. Good. This is a perfect example for this strategy, guys. It crossed above here at the overbought level. And look, it sold down to 50. It continued selling. You can see the three conditions was met here. This blue moving average crossed above the chart. The red moving average was above the yellow line. It sold. You can see how the conditions were made properly. The three conditions, you can see that, guys. The three conditions was met, unlike this first one that was on the overbought level. The red was the chart crossing above it, but when it crossed above it, look, the red was above the yellow. Okay, look now, guys, it's crossing above. You can see this market now. You shouldn't enter this. Why? The red crossed below. The yellow is above the red now, which is a signal to buy. Then it's not yet at the oversold level, so we can't enter. The blue, it's still above the chart, not below the chart, so we can't enter this market, guys. So that's how the strategy works. Look at this, guys. You know something about this. This is step index. You have to enter only short signals, like when the three conditions are met. That's when you should enter this market and take your profit. Look, this one at the oversold level, the blue crossing below the chart, and the red is below the yellow moving average. Look, it's a buy. It bought from here, this point, down to this point. You can make your profit up to this point, guys, for the 50 level. But if you're keeping it, you can keep it up to this point, guys. I just wish the conditions were met right now so I can place a trade, so you can see how the strategy works, guys. It's very powerful, very powerful. I use these strategies and I make money from it. Yeah, it's powerful, very, very powerful, guys. Okay, guys, look at this one. Look at this one. It crossed above. Look, it crossed above. Then it sold down to this point. You can see all conditions were met. All conditions. It sold. You can take profit from the 50 level. You're good to go. Guys, you can see how powerful this strategy is. You can see. Look again. Another one. Crossed above. It sold. Take profit at the 50 level, or you keep it till it gets to the overbought level. That's how you buy. So guys, I've shown you how to use this strategy, most especially to buy. So how to sell with this strategy, guys? To sell with this strategy, this is just a perfect example. Look, when you see the blue moving average cross above the chart, the red is above the yellow moving average, and it's at the overbought level, you sell. Look, it's you can see that, guys, you sell. So that's how this strategy works. It's a perfect strategy and it works well. You make money from it. Look, selling. Many places to show, many conditions, guys. Look, look, you can see it's a buy. So the moment you see these opportunities, buying or selling opportunities, you grab it. Look at the overbought, crossed above, crossed above. It's a sell. Look, this one, guys, crossed above, and then it's a sell. Powerful strategy for stepping this. You make money for yourself. Step in the strategy, guys. And to make it look, guys, you can see it's still selling. It's still selling. Told you it's still selling. It crossed above. You can see it crossed at this point at the overbought level. It came from the overbought level. You can see it crossed above. It's still selling. It reached the 50 level. It made a pullback and it continued. It's going to sell. So the moment it gets to this point, guys, quickly run off from this 20, take your profit and go. Don't be greedy. You don't have to be greedy, guys. Trading step in this, you don't have to be greedy. So that's it, guys. That's it. Let me also show you something about this volatility 75 index. This strategy to work on volatility 75 index. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, it works on volatility 75 index, but the strategy is made for step index. It's made for step index, guys, but it do work because I've used it on 75 index and it's profitable also. Look, it crossed below. When it crossed below, the yellow moving average is above the red moving average and it's at the oversold level. Guys, you place your buy. Look, it's still buying. It's still buying. You can see that, guys. So that's it, guys. It's profitable. So if you want to place a sell, when it crosses here and it's at the red moving average is at the overbought level, you place your sell. You make profit. You make profit. I was supposed to enter this market, but look, it crossed above, good, but it's not at the overbought level. You can see that, guys. It's not at the overbought level. It's not at the overbought level, so I'm not going to enter this market. Yeah, I'm not going to enter the market. Why? Because condition 1, condition 2, but the third condition wasn't met, so I'm not going to enter the market. Yeah. So guys, that's it. That's how to trade step index. But this market is going to say, yeah, let me show you it's going to say. Guys, this market is going to say, okay, I'm just trying to show you that it's going to say, look guys, for the 1 minute time frame, you can see we're on profit already. I want to show you that this market will sell, and you will see this strategy is also working for this market right now. You see it crossed above. It came from the overbought level. It came from the overbought level, guys. And then it crossed above. It made a pullback. It's going to sell. From the 5-minute time frame, it's still like a pullback. The 15, same thing. So guys, that's why I'm always telling you, understand price action. Volatility 75 is going to say, look at the price action. It made a high, couldn't break through this point, so it's coming down again. It's making a pullback. Understanding price action, adding it to your strategy, guys, you'll be successful. Look, 30 minutes. Okay, 1 hour. So guys, we are making, you see, we already got $1.32 profit with just small lot size. Yeah, so guys, thanks for watching this video, and make sure you hit that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks once again, guys, for watching Forex Success. We really appreciate. Thank you, guys.